Ubuntu 26.04 just got a massive upgrade. In this video, we are transforming Ubuntu into a futuristic, high-performance workstation using the Niri window manager and the legendary Dank Linux aesthetic. Niri is a game changer for workflow, and when combined with the stability of Ubuntu 26.04 LTS, it creates a magic desktop experience that rivals any OS on the market. In this video, we will cover the full installation of Niri Window Manager and how to apply the ultimate Dank customization to make your Ubuntu look amazing. Let's get started. The first thing to do after installing Ubuntu is to update your system. Go ahead and open Terminal or Console and type this command. It's recommended to install a few essential dependencies using apt. Just go ahead and run this command to install Git and other required packages. Then install Timeshift, a backup tool that allows you to create snapshots of your system. This backup will be used to get the system back to the working state if anything goes wrong after installing Niri and Dank Linux. Ensure you back up the entire root system and home directories. Then tap Create to take a snapshot of the system current state. It's time to install the pre-configured Dank Linux, a modern desktop for Wayland. Now let's start by navigating to the official website to learn more about the setup. I recommend reading the instructions carefully and going through the entire page. Then go ahead and look for the Get Started section and copy this one-line command, paste it into your terminal and press Enter to start setting up the dms.files. You will see a list of items that are going to be installed. Just go ahead and press Enter to continue. Next, go ahead and choose your Windows Manager. Now use the arrow keys to navigate and Enter to select. As of now, you can choose between Niri and Hyperland. In my case, I'm going to install Niri. Then choose your terminal emulator from these options. In my case, I'm going with Ghosty, which is highly customizable. Next, you will see a summary of all dependencies required for DMS. Since Ubuntu comes with the GDM login manager, we don't have to use the DMS greeter to launch Niri. Now make sure this option is unchecked by toggling with the spacebar. Then simply select DMS and press Enter. Then choose the privilege escalation tool. Now simply leave it set to sudo and enter your password when prompted. Now sit back and be patient while the script is running in the background. Once it's done, it's recommended to restart your computer to apply all the changes. Now from the GDM, tap the username and click the settings gear icon at the bottom right to switch the session. This session manager makes it very easy to switch between Ubuntu GNOME and Niri. Now simply select Niri and enter your password to log in. Upon successful login, you will be greeted with the Dank welcome screen. If you're using a laptop or a large monitor, you may notice that the UI element looks very small. Just go ahead and click on Display Control, then go to Display Configuration and set the scale value to 1.25. Then apply changes, and now you can see that the interface looks much better. By tapping your mouse on the top center of the screen will bring up the control center. It consists of 5 sections: Dashboard, Media, Wallpapers, Weather and Settings. The Dashboard section displays the time, date, system information, and much more. The Media section allows you to control audio playback and audio devices directly from the panel. The Wallpaper section lets you switch between wallpapers very easily. Now go ahead and choose the wallpaper directory path to load available wallpapers. The Weather section displays live weather information in real time. Now let's open Settings. The layout follows the Material 3 expressive design language. Now, thanks to new automatic light and dark mode, the desktop theme can now switch between light and dark themes automatically. Using the Dank settings, you can position the top bar at the bottom, left or right of the screen. You can also customize the top bar by adding widgets to make it more informative. Now, tapping the top right of the screen opens the Quick Settings panel, which looks very similar to macOS Control Center. Now, from here, you can adjust brightness and volume, manage Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enable light mode, control power options, and much more. You can also customize the panel by adding additional toggles, which is really impressive. The top bar also includes widgets and applets for notifications, clipboard history, time, CPU and memory usage. Dank also brings a brand new app launcher with enhanced options, improved performance, and seamless extension integration. The launcher displays all installed applications and lets you quickly search for any application. Now let's talk about Workspaces. On the top bar, you will see the Workspace indicator, which lets you switch between different workspaces. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Super plus Tab to seamlessly switch between workspaces. Since Niri is a window manager, most actions are controlled using keyboard shortcuts. You can customize the key bindings to add shortcuts for launching applications. Open Ghosty by pressing Super plus T and navigate to the default key binding configuration file. Now let's add a custom key binding for any application you want. Now in this example, let's add a shortcut to launch Firefox and assign Super plus B as the keybind. After adding the brand new key binding, just go ahead and save the file by pressing Ctrl plus S. Now pressing Super plus B will instantly launch Firefox. And that's how you transform Ubuntu 26.04 LTS into a modern desktop. You now have a system that is stable because of Ubuntu, but beautiful and unique because of Niri and Dank Linux. It's the perfect balance of power and style. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.